By watching this video, you have reached 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And congratulations, you can now earn money from your YouTube channel. But the question that arises for you, the audience, is how we can receive our own income. The first thing you need to do is to enter the YouTube studio and then enter the ERN section. When you enter this section, it will show your channel's earning conditions and you click on the Apply Now option. When you click, a window will open for you and you need to go through 3 steps to activate your channel's income. The first step is to read the article, and after reading it, click the Accept option. The first step is finished, but you need to enter the second step. The second step is to create AdSense. To create AdSense, you must write Google AdSense in your browser. When you type Google AdSense, click the Aeon the Slag option. When you click, you must enter your channel address. Click Account, and after it will ask for your home address. When you give AdSense to YouTube, you have to wait for YouTube to check your channel, and if you are ready for earning conditions, YouTube will tell you and congratulate you.